Rene Arend wrote this cookbook in 1981. Secret Sauces, McDonald's. He was the head chef there. He has a recipe for Thousand Island dressing. Tastes a lot like Big Mac sauce. Let's give it a try. We're going to use 2 parts mayonnaise to 1 part ketchup, 1/2 part relish, 1 big pinch parsley, and a dash of paprika. Mix well. And dip. Smiley face French fries. Pretty damn good. If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.